What's that? Sige, open.
Barbie. Today, we'll open this Barbie DreamHouse. Hi kids, let's open this box. Hi Barbie DreamHouse! Yay! Now we'll open it. Wow, cool.
So, yan siya pagbukas. And then, may manual.
Here's the instruction manual, a guide on how to build Barbie's house. So my mama will help me build my Barbie dream house.
A few moments later.
This is my newly built Barbie dream house. As you can see, it has 3 floors. On top, there's the terrace and a disco party area. And the second floor, there's the bedroom and a bathroom. And in the first floor, there's a living room, dining room, and a kitchen. Outside, there's a slide and a swimming pool. It has a pink door on front that opens and closes. It has a disco bar on top where Barbie and her friends can dance and play music instruments. The disco bar has different sounds when you can choose.
Eat this.
Wala mo. What are you doing, Mama?
Just different sounds.
Also a grill stand that is convertible to a birthday party stand when you turn it around. Here's the terrace with a green grass carpet where you can put Barbie's pet. It has also a mini slide and a pool for pets. There's also a pet stand with our aquarium when you can turn around and becomes a TV stand. Barbie's bedroom, there's a closet but these dresses and shoes were not included. It means We bought it for lately. Barbie's bedroom has a double deck with a pull-out bed complete with blankets to keep Barbie and her friends warm. There's also a yellow hanging chair when you can also put to the other part of the house. The bathroom has a blue transparent door with the shampoo and soap inside. There's also 2 toothbrushes in the sink. The sound of flush when you press the button on top of the toilet bowl. There's also a sound when they take a shower. Here in the first floor is the kitchen.
Tumutunog.
Wow! There's also a sound like a timer after you close the oven. And a sound of cooking when you press the stove. There's a ref, and as you can see, there's also chicken utensils.
Plates. Okay. Didikit mo dito yun. Sa putas. Dikit dito.
There's also different dry tissues from
Ito.
and a moving elevator at the side with a transparent pink door. Everything is so lovely. I love my Barbie dream house. Time to. Sa playtime ito.
Okay.
Music to.
Okay. Ano yan? Kung gusto mo na iba-ibang kulay, pili ka ng color na like mo.
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan, pink. May pink na.
Ito lang.
Ayan, pinatulog na niya. Sleeping.
Yeah.
Morning na. Wake up na sila.
Wait lang. Sleeping pa.
Sleeping ma?
Gising na sila. Ay! Nagising na. Nagising na. Sleeping time daddy nila. Sleeping time daddy. Okay. some song. Ay, off to muna ako. Sige. Ligo muna ako. Sabi niya, ligo muna ako.
Nighttime. That's for nighttime.
Yes?
Are they going to sleep?
Yeah.
Go on the first
floor.
floor. Pa-up naman. Sakay sila elevator. Ito.
Can I
Third
do
floor
it?
for the party. Party. Dance. Dance. Ay, grabe sumayaw, oh. Yun.
A snake.
Go inside.
What I gonna say?
This is
Oh,
the
my
living
dog.
room.
The homeless
Oh.
dog.
Yung TV.
The homeless
There's a
dog.
TV. Is that a fireplace? Oh, tapos pwede siyang, it can be converted to
And
aquarium. And, oo. What's that? Oo. Another door. Kasi pwede siyang, pwede siyang sa kabilang side, diba? Ayan, meron din dong hagdanan na yun, stairs, paakyat. Tapos pwede siyang ito, pwedeng maging dog house, pet house, diba? Tatalikod mo lang. Kasi ito, yan. Kitchen. Ito yung kitchen nila. Tapos may mga sounds na makita natin later yung mga sounds. Yan. So, ito, not included tong mga shoes and dress. Bought it separately. Yan. Tapos ito, pwede siya. Yan. Pag maraming bisita si Barbie, pwede maki-sleep over. Yan. So, ito, may terrace, garden.
That's the pet home.
Oo. Pwede rin dyan magtakbuhan yung pets niya. Dito, may disco party. Ayan, may disco. Ito rin convertible. Pag may party, ayan, pwede mo lagyan. Tapos, pwede rin siya, pag sa likod naman, grills. Ayan, pwede mag-grill. Ayan. Kasi ito, may sounds. Apakan lang nila. Ayan, nagkakaroon na ng sound. Pwede silang mag-disco party. Party. Ayan, iba-ibang sound siya. Tapos ito, meron silang elevator. Ito, meron silang elevator. Pwede sila dyan. Baba, ayan. Third floor. Baba ng second floor. Diba? First floor. Baba sila ng first floor. First floor. Then, open the door. Open natin yung door. Ayan. Oh, meron silang buttons. Okay, this is for the morning, evening daw. Tapos ito, different sounds. Tapos yung lights, pwede mo palit-palitan. Ayan. Iba-ibang color. Oh, may green. Yellow, pag gusto mo, red.
My lover was a snake.
Ito siya, pagpatay yung ilaw. Ayan. Color pink. Pink siya, pink. Tapos, pagpalitan mo ng kulay, ayan naman. Blue.
What the shade? Lover was a snake.
What's that? Oh,
Fire. What a shame. Lover was a snake.
green. Yan, gusto mo green. Green yung kulay lang. Green. Pati dito may ilaw din. Yan. Ayan, may sound. Ayun, daming sound.
What a shame if my lover was a snake.
Light. You want to change it. Ayan, nakita nyo na green. Ayan siya pag
What a shame.
yellow.
Lover was a snake.
Ayan. Red. Red na vibes. Then, ayan. Kulay yan. Ayan. Gusto mong palit-palitan yung color. You can change it to different.
What a shame if my lover was a snake.
Okay, then this. May ba rin yung sound niya? Yan. Yan. May ilaw. Pati anak ko sumasayaw, oh. Pati anak ko sumasayaw, oh. Nag-groove. Oh. Napapasayaw siya sa sound ni Barbie. May ibang sound to, eh. Ayan.
Open mo na eh.
Tapos may na paggabi, matutulog na daw sila. Yan yung sound. Pag morning. Yan. Ito, may swimming pool. Pwede mo ilipat-lipat yan. Dito, dito, dito. Dun sa likod. Yan. Pati yung pool. Pwede dito. Pwede dun sa taas ng terrace ilagay. Pati itong carpet na, pati itong green carpet, pwede din i-transfer. Pwede dito, pwede sa baba.
Up.